Today, I am going to discuss on the Scorpio moon sign as per the traditional Indian astrology or Vedic astrology. Scorpio is the eighth sign of zodiac, northern side, and indicates the secret parts of the Kalpurush. It is the second watery dragon and negative house of Mars. It is the fixed and feminine. It is secret, reserved, conservative, tenacious, persistent, determined, and thoughtful, as also passionate and sensuous. It is not generally easy to understand a Scorpio person fully. Being the eighth sign of zodiac, it is related to the death also. The moon is debilitated here, and it is sometimes temperamental and maybe jealous or mean. The first decanate is of the nature of the Scorpio, and in the second and third decanate, Pisces and Cancer act respectively, although the Scorpio nature remains prominent. Its color is white and slightly yellowish. Scorpio people medium to fatty and thick neck, fleshy and round face and bright eyes with. A good Scorpio is good for deep thinking, and it is honest and religious and can control animal passions. A bad Scorpio may affect many sides, for example, health, fortune, career, and mind, and it may be temperamental or moody, mean, jealous, and sensuous, etc. In case of disease, we can say constipation, irregular bowels, blood, dysentery, piles, fistula, wounds, pox, measles, blood poisoning, cough and cold, and disease in the secret parts of the body. Those born under this sign will have a youthful appearance and generous disposition and fire's eyes. They are fickle minded and love much excitement. They are inclined to sensual things in reality, while they won't hesitate to philosophize upon the merit of controlling the sensual pleasure. Even females born in this sign will have more masculine tendencies. They are good correspondents and invite friendship from among people throughout the world. They will become expert musicians if they care to practice that art. They are proficient in fine arts, dancing, and the like, and no doubt they have a philosophic disposition. They sit at the naughty conventional habits and customs. They vehemently uphold their own views, but nevertheless will not clash with those holding opposite ones. Their constitution will be hot, and they are liable to suffer from piles after their 30th year. They are silent and dignified and never speak before weighing each and every word. They are good conversationalists as well as writer, and often rely too much on their own intelligence. Scorpio born is notorious for his many outstanding characteristics. It is a sign of the dictators. His thoroughness is heartless, and his energy apparently inexhaustible. He has an immense appetite for the sex and treats his partner as a beast. As a child, he is extremely mischievous. He has a reputation for secret crimes. He is likewise capable of great heights of nobility and sacrifice. As this sign is ruled by Mars and nowadays by Pluto also, and Its symbol is the scorpion. The Scorpio is a watery sign, as I said, and passionate and intense. Many astrologers considers this sign of Scorpio as the most powerful of all the signs of the zodiac. Pluto, the ancient god of netherworld, that means hell, death and regeneration, exerts its influence very strongly on those born under this sign. Scorpio native are known for their intensity and passion. Their drive in life is to improve the status quo through their actions and to change the world for the better, provided that they can temper their own desires. Scorpio native are staunch defenders of justice and will fight to the end for cause they believe to be just. They are idealistic and are guided by the highest principles. Scorpio native never get into anything halfway. Scorpio native live their life in extremes. They can be at the same time powerful and weak, independent and clingy, passionate and cold. Beneath a confident exterior often lie turbulent and temperamental urges. They are prone to being possessive and jealous, and their relationships are often stormy. Their unpredictable nature and their intensity of feeling often leads others to keep their distance. But if a Scorpio is given a chance, they can prove to be loving, generous, and fiercely loyal. Despite the negative aspects emphasized by some astrologers, Scorpio native can prove that strong emotions can be channeled positively. Scorpio native are passionate about everything that they become involved in, including romance. That what we all can say about the Scorpio people in very short. Hope you like this video, and I would request for getting more this sort of astrological related and spirituality related video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon beside. And if you like this video, do press the like button and share with your friends and circle. And if you wish to get any particular video on any particular subject, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.